Hey guys, today we'll see how can we install VLC media player in Ubuntu or any other Linux distribution. The process is same, but only the Linux distribution package management system varies, like yum, apt and pacman and all other stuff. Okay, let's get started. To first install it, open the terminal. You can also open it by Ctrl-Alt-T and type sudo apt install VLC and enter. It will take some time. I think installing VLC through terminal is better way than installing it from Ubuntu App Store and using the snap version of VLC. So once the installation is completed, you can close the terminal. Okay, now go to application search and type VLC. There you can see, and the VLC has been successfully installed, and just close it. So to check if it is working or not, we can play a video. It is a video file. Before that, go to properties and open with. So make sure you are selected to VLC as a default application and close it. Now we can double click on it. You can see the video is playing. The installation was successful. Hey guys, that's it. Adios. I should fuck her in the Benz.